Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make traditional Pakistani Pulao. Now this is a great recipe to try, especially during the month of Ramadan. And for this you're going to need half a kilo of goat meat or any other meat, 1 medium-sized onion, 2 cups of basmati rice, half a cup of yogurt, 1 cup canola oil, and the following spices. You can pause and see which ones they are. So the first thing you're going to do is take the rice and soak it in water. Make sure that it's leveled to the top. And you're going to let it soak for about 30 to 45 minutes. So the first thing that you're going to do is heat up some oil in a pan, and to that you're going to add some onions, and you're going to fry the onions until they become brown on medium flame. So it should look something like that. Once the onions look like this, you're going to add the meat to the fried onions. And you're going to stir that for a minute and then cover that so that the meat can continue to cook. Then after that, you're going to add all the spices except for the fennel seeds. That's going to be used separately, so make sure you don't put that inside yet. Once all the spices have been added, you're going to stir it again for a minute and let it cook. After another few minutes have gone by, you're going to add some yogurt to the mix, and you're going to continue stirring that. Again, you're going to let it cook on medium to high flame until it reaches a thick gravy consistency. And then in a separate pot, you're going to boil some water, and into that you're going to add the fennel seeds. Once that is done, you're going to remove the seeds from the water, and you're going to take about 1 cup of the fennel seed water and pour it into the pot with the meat. Along with that, you're going to add 2 cups of water. You're going to cover that and let the meat cook for another few minutes. And then once the water starts to boil again, you're going to add the soaked rice to the mixture. You're then going to cover that and let it cook until the water is fully absorbed from the rice. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and please do try the recipes. Thank you.